Hello kids, welcome back to our Math Fun channel. Today we are going to solve word problems. Don't worry, they are just little story with numbers. Listen carefully, think smart and let's solve them together. Let's begin. What are word problems? A word problem is a mathematical problem presented in a story format. These problems connect to our daily life, help to develop critical thinking and creative problem solving skills. Now let us learn about word problems. Monu has 2 apples and Sonu has 6 apples. Find the total number of apples. Now let us find out how to do word problems. We need to concentrate on the keywords in all together, combine, total and sum. These tell us to do addition. Let us use CUBS method to solve word problems. C, circle the number, underline the question, and B stands for box the important words, and yes, solve the problem. First, read the word problem carefully. Monu has 2 apples, Sonu has 6 apples. Find the total number of apples. So we need to circle the number. For solution, we are going to write the statement. Number of apples Monu has, that is 2. And number of apples Sonu has, that is 6. Total number of apples together is 8. So Monu has 8 apples. Let us try to create a word problem. Tina has 12 red pens and 10 blue pens. So by this, we can create a word problem. Tina has 12 red pens and 10 blue pens. How many pens does she have in all? That means number of red pens 12, number of blue pens 10. Total number of pens is equal to 22. Tina has 22 pens. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.